I don't know about you guys, but I was constantly drowning in tasks, forgetting meetings, and always feeling overwhelmed until I found this system. It's just so clean. Like, check out the UI UX. The mobile app is dope and the desktop. This AI tool literally runs my life, and let me show you how. Like, bruh, look at the UI on this site. It's so clean. But this is how the mobile app looks. Basically, why I love this app is because I'm able to just take notes, right? Like, I use my to-dos at the bottom like they're showing here, and then I drag and drop them inside of my calendar. There you go. It's showing you how like you can drag and drop your emails straight into your calendar to make sure you get these things done. But I don't know, I've been using Superhuman for a long time now when it comes to email, but honestly, I might just switch over to have everything in one place. Yeah, like just check out this website. It'll tell you everything that it's able to do. You're able to have multiple accounts in here. You're able to have timers, time zones, like literally all types of widgets that's on your home screen of your phone. The scheduling from just using your voice, so that's very powerful too. Then knows when you listen to Spotify, when you wake up, when you're meditating, your heart rate and stuff, because it's all connected to the app. And yeah, let me just jump into it and show you how I do it. So basically, this is my AMIE right here. So when I come here, I have my meeting agenda. So basically, after I get off a call with my team or something, it records the call. So you can listen to the call back, basically, if I need to, but I really never have to listen to the call. But then over here, it shows me the call summary. So everything that we talked about in the call, and then it does to do. So I can just come here and click in inbox and it'll just go into my inbox, which is dope. And they keep adding a new feature. So I can throw it into my Notion or put it in specific areas, which is really cool. So essentially I can just get on calls with my team or other people, and I really don't have to like take manual notes on what's going on with the call because this thing is just listening. And how I do this is just go to my weekly calendar, right? So say if I have a call coming up, like let's just say it's today, I just join the call from AMIE, and then all of a sudden it starts recording. But usually it's on the top of the screen anyway, so it just knows what's going on with your schedule. And I know that's fire already because it listens to everything. And on the phone mobile app, all you have to do is hit like the little monkey emoji and then it'll listen to it. Let me see if you can see it from my phone here. I'm not even going to screen share. Let's see. Yeah, if I hit the little monkey on the side, like right over there, then all of a sudden it just records my calls or the phone calls I'm on or whatever. So if I'm on a hike with my buddies and I wanted to record and then also just turn our conversation into to-do list, it'll do that. So for me, instead of me like going to my notes app and everything and just taking like random notes of things I have to do, I just do it here. So for example, I'm here and let's just say it has to do with my brand deals. I can come here and then I can see my brand deals, or, you know, in the full inbox. It doesn't really matter. You just come up here and you just type in what it is. So say the clean bathroom. So say if I say I'm gonna clean the bathroom here, now it just goes on my list. So I can just drag that into today's list right here, like clean the bathroom. Or when you click into it, you can add like a timer, how long it's gonna take you to clean the bathroom, a sub to do, like soap, I don't know, inside of there. And then you can have it repeat task and then set priority. So the things that I really need to get done, I just come here and hit priority. And then you also can just hit here and schedule it. But you don't even have to click these buttons. You can just hit like H, right? So when I hit the letter H, then it'll just automatically get that scheduled. And it's cool because from here, you can automatically get AI to schedule everything on your to-do list. So it'll just automatically populate it here on a list. You can also just drag and drop, boop, and then you have it just like any other calendar app, the colors. But the thing I really like about this is integrated with all of my calendars and some of my clients' calendars also. So I have everything in one place. And the ability to just drag and drop things into the calendar is a game changer, I promise you, because you don't have to juggle like a couple of different apps when you have to like think something out. Because a lot of times what we're trying to do here is we're trying to go from a thought or an idea and get that over to action. But how do we do that as fast as possible without forgetting? You need to use a calendar, right? And a lot of people kind of overlook a calendar, like, yeah, kind of use a calendar, but no, you actually need to really use a calendar, because the better you get with your calendar and the more scheduled you are, the more ahead you get, the more things you can pile on, and all of a sudden you're a machine and you got all these things going on in your life and you're making all of this money and people are like, how are you doing it? And you can just say, AMIE. Don't we all wish life was that simple? But yeah, I tried to originally make this video about the big ass calendar, which is behind me, but it was just an epic fail. And then I tried to use sticky notes on the big ass calendar, but then the sticky notes just were falling off. I've got to figure that out. So my next video, maybe tomorrow or the next day or something, is going to be about that calendar. It's cool because on that calendar, you can see your entire year. So I'm going to use that with AMIE. So I like seeing AMIE, and that's what's going on with my like week to week basis. But then the big calendar just shows me what my entire year looks like. So if somebody asks me, what are you doing on October 8th? I can tell them exactly what I'm doing, or if I'm free, I can tell them that I'm free. You need to be able to see your entire year because you need to be able to move with speed. And it's always good to know what you're going to do. Like, get on your shit, bro. But yeah, like it showed, you can also integrate your email and stuff like that. See all of your weeks. They even have this AI chat down here, so you can basically just talk to it and then it'll automatically create everything for your to-do. I don't use this part much, but I think they continuously improve it. And you can search anything that's going on in your calendar, which is cool too. So you can see what day you're doing what thing. But I think one of the most useful features of this thing is just being able to add like a tab, like today, what's going on in my agency, the to-do list, my tribe. So basically you just come here, click it, and then you can add a new list, which is cool. So you can always separate your to-do list and know what's going on in each task in your life if you have personal stuff or whatever it is that you're doing. So I was going to record me doing my entire process like in front of you guys, but honestly, it's gonna take hours because I really pay attention to everything I'm doing. I'm gonna start off with the little tasks like the payments that I have to get done, and then I'm going to schedule out all of my travels because I travel a lot. And I also put like the payment amount that I'm receiving from clients in my schedule so I can clearly see how much revenue I've got coming in each day. So I've got to do all that. But yeah, I highly recommend using AMIE because a lot of these features is just free. You can use the thing for free. It's so dope you can use it for free. I think if you want to integrate your email inside of AMIE, then you have to pay for it. But other than that, you can pretty much use it for free. And I just love the widgets, the timers, the weather inside of it. It's just like the little things, you know? And then when you go over to the settings too, they always tell you what's going on and what's new. Like, this is the little things, right? Like this is showing you what's going on with the Apple calendar. Yeah, hopefully I encourage you guys to get scheduled. Even if you don't use AMIE, you need to schedule things to make sure you get things done, even these videos that we're recording. But thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you like this content because I'm going to drop a new AI tool tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next one.